Are you struggling to set a custom thumbnail for your audio playback in iOS Safari? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, and today we're going to explore how to tackle it. I totally get it. You launch a new podcast, embed your audio, and then see a generic gray music note instead of your beautiful artwork. It's frustrating, right? You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there any way to set a thumbnail for audio in iOS Safari using HTML or JavaScript, or is this feature only available for iOS applications? Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's going on here? When you play audio in iOS Safari, the default thumbnail is often a generic image. This can happen because the browser doesn't recognize the metadata for your audio file. Let's break down how to potentially fix this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that could help you enhance your podcast's visibility even more. To set a custom thumbnail for audio playback in iOS Safari, the user should start by using the appropriate HTML markup. This involves adding a meta tag in the head section of the HTML document. Next, the user should ensure that the audio element is properly configured. This includes specifying the source of the audio file and ensuring that the controls are enabled. After setting up the audio element, the user can enhance the experience by using JavaScript to dynamically update the metadata when the audio plays. This can help ensure the thumbnail is displayed correctly. Finally, the user should test the implementation on an iOS device. This is crucial to ensure that the thumbnail appears correctly in the control center and on the lock screen. Fun fact, did you know that the first podcast was created back in 2000? It's amazing how far we've come in audio technology since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the Media Session API to set a custom thumbnail for your audio in iOS Safari. This API allows you to customize media notifications and is supported in Chrome. To implement it, you can use the success method in the Media Element JS player to set metadata, including the title, artist, album, and artwork. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. One user suggests checking out the Media Session API for setting a thumbnail. They mention that, as of March 2020, only Chrome fully supports this API on both desktop and mobile. However, they note that Safari started supporting it in version 15, released in September 2021. They also provide links to browser compatibility resources, highlighting that while testing on Safari and Firefox in July 2020 showed no luck, the situation has improved since then. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always keep your audio files updated with the latest metadata. This not only helps with thumbnails, but also improves your podcast's overall quality. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to set a custom thumbnail for your audio in iOS Safari. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more podcasting insights.